Good morning, YouTube. Alright, today we're going to start off doing up some lawn work real quick. I got an unboxing and I got to film a TikTok and some other stuff, so let's get going.
Look at it. It's so nice. Nature.
And now for the real business, the unboxing. Alrighty guys, let's start unboxing here. Gotta get these sides. There it is. The case. And the beast. The dark purple, you can kind of see the purple tint there. Ukulele. Probably not tuned. It's gonna take me forever to tune it right now, but there she is. The grand unboxing of the purple ukulele. Now here it is all unpacked. So I'm gonna take the box off. Got the purple case. Zip her down. Just pops out. Ready to go. Still not tuned though. I gotta film a TikTok now. It's a stay strong message TikTok. It's meant for Rachel. So, here we go.
You'll hear the truth beyond the noise, yeah.
Hey, let me take a picture.
Sissy climbing. She's climbing. So I gotta chop these bad boys off from that bad boy, and then there's my steak. And there is dinner, boys. Too good. You guys snuggled in?
Hey, buddy.
You guys want to play giant Jenga? Alright guys, I had dinner. It was really good. I'm probably going to call it a night here. But yeah, I'm like super tired because doing the yard really takes it out of me, so I don't know. On that note, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, sub, share, hit that bell. And as always, I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Bye. Bye, Sarge. Bye. He doesn't care.